complete keypad in the ventilation fan stopped working.
Hey, how is it going? I'm a traveler from Finland who wanted to share adventures, technical challenges and fun of living in a self-made camper van. Welcome aboard! The root cause is probably the buttons on the keypad. For some reason they don't give the signal to the connector, or perhaps there's something else wrong with the ventilation fan. So there are 3 of these small screws, like these, and the plastic washers. These are very important for isolating the metallic screws from the circuit board, and of course it's impossible to keep them on their place if you're replacing this on your own. But yeah, that's why I have the collection mat, some surface on the ground, so I will find all the pieces that are dropping from there. Alright, here's the old keypad, this one. And what we did last year is that we applied insulation caulking mass here to prevent the water going to the keypad side, because there is a chance that there is some condensation water over here. Apparently it was a bad idea. I got it from the internet videos, but I think this sealant mass might be the reason that this connection is not working anymore. I don't know, but I'm going to peel it off. This wasn't the greatest idea. Just like that. This is actually funny though, that there isn't this cover for the temperature sensor, or I don't know, maybe it is some kind of like, I don't know, warning light. Anyway, this plastic cup, it is not included in the spare part, so I'm going to remove it from here and use the same for the spare part. Moment of truth. I'm putting it hopefully on. Woo! Putting more speed, lower speed, reversing the direction. Let's see what it does. Woo! Super. Switching it off. A little extra. I'm going to remove this fan itself and give it a proper clean. It is only one top nut, like the nut without or bolt without the head. I don't know what this is called. I'm using T10, which is Torx size 10. It was quite loose. Very good, and I will tighten it. It has been, I think, 6 months without cleaning, or something like that. Clean as new. This is part of the maintenance too. I don't want to push the net because it becomes loose and then it starts to touch the fan. And final test with the actual remote control. Yay! Thank you so much for watching. If you liked what you saw, please subscribe, like and share. See you next time!